Best regards, dear tutor and partners. I am Rosa Maria Frade. According to the guide activity, I'm going to try to explain the contents or describe the parts of this course called Advanced English 1. This course is divided in 3 parts or 3 units. The first one is about reading, the second one about writing, and the third one about speaking. The first unit, reading, is based in different videos and read about controversial issues, and the objective is to help a student to improve the read and comprehend different articles and reports, expressing their ideas and their viewpoints. The second unit, writing, try to help students to write essays or report, giving important reason about particular points according to the sources that we find in the knowledge environment. The third unit is about speaking. So the idea or the objective in this unit is that the students are able to interact in a deep way with fluency in different discussions contexts and have the competences to express advantage or disadvantage or say your opinions about a topic. In order to reach the objectives or the purpose of this course, it's important to follow the strategies required for this course. The first one is to recognition activities. In this part, the student needs to browse the different environment and activities of the course in which the student can recognize the different details and requirements for the course. The second strategy is language skills comprehension quiz. In this part, the student needs to watch a video and read a text. Then the students answer the question about the video or the reading in order to prove the level of comprehension about the text and the video. In the task 1, the student will read a text and watch a video about a controversial issue. Then the student needs to use their reading and listening comprehension in order to create a chart that is going to be compared or with the opinions given by the other partners. In task 2, the student will write an argumentative essay about a controversial issue or topic. The idea is that the student argument their point of view in a deep way. The task 3 is developed in the practice environment. The student needs to create a lecture about the topic of the video, in which express the pros, contras, the positive or negative affectation that it has the overpopulation. At the final evaluation, the students will record their opinion about the controversial issue presented on the video and reading posted for this task. The idea is that the students express their opinion about the contribution to the other partners too.